4 steps to decorate your table, mantle, and porch for fall. 4 steps to decorate your table for fall. Add a table runner, then placemats, then add plates, add a napkin, fold it halfway, put it down the center of your plate, add a small plate on top of your napkin, and then add either a pumpkin or a name tag. Next, add some silverware, and then your cups, and then some beautiful tall candles, some large and small pumpkins. Enjoy your fall tablescape and your family. 4 steps to decorate your front porch for fall. Step 1, add a rug or doormat. Step 2, add a beautiful fall wreath. Step 3, add some flowers. I added mums in these cool baskets from Hobby Lobby. Step 4, add some pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns. Happy fall, y'all. How to decorate your mantle for fall. Get a large piece of wall decor and then add some candles and some candelabras. Next, add some variety of pumpkins. Make sure to use command strips to hang up your garland. I used 2 garlands here. Next, add some baskets with some pillows and throw blankets, and make sure you have your wood in the fireplace. I added some lanterns for an extra touch.